Oh hey, I'm Jimmy Oaks, and this is my bike.
2-hip A-frame.
Oh God, I'm so dizzy.
Duo pref seat, Verde post.
I got animal Kimbo cranks, 2-hip plastic pedals, and a bitty V3 sprocket. Animal Javelins in the front and rear, left-hand drive, laced to Animal RS rims, keeping it street, with that Machete rubber in the front, that dual rubber in the back, on them shadow pegs, the little ones. And then some smaller parts. I got my ODI long necks, super softs, soft hands. And then Shadow halfling chain. And last but not least, Groove Tech by 2-hip front end. Forks, stem, and bars.